yan ng mga kanta at musikang nagpaindak, nagpaiyak, at umantig sa ating mga puso. At dahil syempre, espesyal ang gabing ito, for the first time, nagsanipwersa ang dalawa sa pinakamalaking songwriting institution sa bansa, ang Philpop Music Fest Foundation at ang Himig Handog. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Tonight we've got 12 new songs for 12 songwriters and maririnig natin ang papapabilang sa napakahabang listahan ng mga kantang natak OPM. Idagdag na natin dyan ang world-class song interpreters na binigyan buhay ang mga kantang ito. What a way to celebrate OPM's golden anniversary. And you were all a part of it. Kaya magpalakpakan naman tayo. The golden year. So, welcome to the Philpop Himig Handog Songwriting Festival. Hashtag Philpop Himig Handog, hashtag OPM 50. TuneCore. At ngayong gabi, makakasama ko rin ang ilan sa pinakakilala niyong mga artista, mga singers ng OPM para ipakilala sa inyo ang ating 12 finalists. Celebrating more than 2 decades in the music industry. Here is the pop ballad royalty. Let's give it up for Eric Santos!
Good evening, everybody! Good evening, Karil.
Good evening. Alam mo ba ikaw ang muse ng kantang isinulat kong Fine during the pandemic?
Yeah, sabi mo nga sa akin.
Inspirasyon ka.
It's an honor, Karil. Maraming salamat. Good evening, everyone! Grabe, alam niyo mga kaibigan, tulad ko, madaming pinagdaanan ng ating finalists. Mahaba ang naging proseso bago makarating sa gabi dito. From more than 2-month music and songwriting digicamp, hanggang sa pagpili ng top 12 original songs mula sa nangyaring digicamp, recording, paggawa ng music videos at promos, finally, Karil, nandito na tayo sa finals night.
Yes, ito talaga ang iniintay ng lahat. Pero nagsisimula pa lang ang laban. Kinilanis ng mabuti ng ating mga judges ang mga song entries according to its melody, lyrics, musicality, creativity, and impact during the pre-judging of the album. At ito ay bumubuo ng 70% of the total scores. 30% naman ang non-total score ay manggagaling sa artistry, interpretation, and overall performance ngayong gabi.
Grabe, alam mo, Karil, share ko lang, naging judge na rin ako ng Himig Handog nung pandemic. Napakahirap na trabaho, napakahirap sa gaganda ng entries. Sobrang lahat sila deserving manalo. Palakpakan naman natin sila, mga kaibigan.
What a long and beautiful journey, and we get to experience it with them tonight.
Yes, we are so blessed. And to help us determine kung alin sa 12 kanta ang tatanghaling grand prize winner, we have with us our distinguished panel of judges. A legendary songwriter, siya ang puso sa likod ng mga kantang Shine, You've Made Me Stronger, and the iconic 1995 Tell the World of His Love. Naku, alam na mga millennials yan. She's a mentor and coach for several Philpop songwriting camps and the current collab with Himig Handog, Miss Trina Belange.
Yes, congratulations on her new book. Congratulations, Miss Trina. Next up, an award-winning singer, songwriter, folk artist, and former Himig Handog finalist. Kilala siya sa mga timeless hits na may social relevance at environmental cause, tulad na lang na Kanlungan, wala natin lahat yan. At ako'y isang mabuting Filipino, a board member of the Philpop Music Fest Foundation, Inc. Palakpakan natin, Mr. Noel Cabangon!
A singer, hitmaker, and songwriter of several iconic songs tulad ng Tala ni Sarah Geronimo, Huwag Muna Tayong Umuwi ng Bini, at Rosas.
Kilala na nila, umiyaw na sila eh.
Of course, kilala nila. And just recently, she released a new single sa ilalim ng alon. She is an alumnus of Himig Handog 2016 with her song entry, Ambon. At ngayon, siya ay mentor at coach for the Philpop Himig Handog Songwriting Camp, Miss Nika Del Rosario. Our next judge also mentored and coached for several Philpop songwriting camps and in this edition as well. A singer-songwriter na nagbigay sa atin ng mga hits tulad ng Diyosa, Kayo, Dati at Triangulo. Alam mo, nagawa na rin ako dito ng kanta.
Ako naman ka-batchmate ko siya sa Philpop.
Wow!
Siya ang tumala sa amin.
Napakagaling, napakagaling. Of course, two-time Philpop Grand Champion, Miss Yumi Laksamana.
Yeah! Next up, an active advocate para sa pagpapalaganap ng original Filipino music. Maging sa buong mundo, of course, we've got the Chief of Editorial Content of Billboard Philippines, Mr. Brett Jackson.
Bringing with her more than 2 decades of experience in the entertainment and media industry. Our next judge is the channel head of Mix Global and Managing Director for Asia Pacific of ABS-CBN Global, Miss Maribel Hernaez.
So now, last but not the least, we have another alumnus of several Himig Handog and Philpop editions. He is a veteran songwriter and multi-time AWIT Awards winner. Nalumikha ng mga OPM hits tulad ng Sayawe ang...
sa gabi.
Talaga napainta ka doon,
nadadala ko.
Himig Handog 2013 Grand Prize winner. Nasa'yo na.
Alam mo lahat yan.
And Philpop 2014 winning song, Salva Vida Diva Diva. He is a mentor and a coach for several Philpop songwriting camps, as well as the current collaboration with Himig Handog, celebrating his musical career with a recently released anthology album, Anniversaries. Our chairman of the board of judges, let's give it up for Junji Marcelo. Good luck to our panel of judges sa pagpili who will be the best among the best.
Kaya naman, eto na guys! Ready na ba kayo? Kayo dyan sa taas, ready na ba kayo?
Ito yung madalas kong tinatanong eh. Are you ready? Kailangan ibigay nyo ang full energy nyo kasi
Yes.
ito 90s
Energy, guys. Energy. Come on.
One more time. Are you ready?
Kaya naman simulan natin tapisan ng galingan labanan ng mga awitin with this happy and hopeful song mula sa ating songwriter from Rizal.
Sabi ni Rob Angeles, real change happens when we move beyond words and take meaningful actions. At para sa kanya, ito ay ang paggawa ng musika.
Isinulat ko yung kantang Mahiwaga when I was diagnosed of major depressive disorder with general anxiety and PTSD. Nung kahit pa paano nakaka-cope up na ako with the help of medication, doon ko naisipan na gumawa ng kanta na pwedeng maging anthem of hope and life encouragement. Ang favorite line ko ho, dalangin ng puso para sa atin ay mahiwaga. It means life is unpredictable and it offers lot of opportunities. Pero hindi mo makikita yung mga opportunities na yan kung hindi ka magpapatuloy sa buhay. I want Mahiwaga to be remembered as an anthem of hope and life encouragement. Para sa lahat ng mga nawawala ng pag-asa, tumingin ka lang sa ulap and everything will be okay. Working with Vision was such a blessing. Hindi lang nila kinanta yung Mahiwaga, inintindi nila yung message at nilagyan ng puso. Ako po si Rob Angeles at inihahandog ko sa inyo ang kantang Mahiwaga, interpreted by the Monsters of P-Pop, Vision.
At lalong-lalo na, sa palipitan, pag naamoy nyo talaga si Eric, talagang, andito na siya.
Sana hindi nahihilo, no?
Ang bango mo. Always fresh.
Thank you. Alam mo, okay, ako yata yung natutulala pag gano'n. Parang ganyan lang.
Ay!
Pwede na pang MMK.
Acting workshop.
Oh.
Acting workshop. Grabe. So this next band, syempre, dati kasama sila ng kapatid kong si Zia, ang Extrapolation. But nakakatuwa kasi meron tayong finalist from Bacolod. Meron pa dito mga taga Bacolod? Maayong gabi!
Yung mga nagtaas ng kamay.
Oo. Kanina naman, syempre napanood natin ay Vision. And ang dami nilang fans dun sa taas. Tama ba?
Grabe naman!
Oo, may mga iba nga nandito sa pinakaharap eh. Alam ko, nahanap niya yung front seat para lang sa mga idol.
Alam mo, nung kabataan ko, ganun-ganun din ako. I was once part of a boy band.
This is true! Nung una tayo nag-meet, Universal Records days, si Tabella Tan.
Yes.
Ano pangalan ng iyong boy band?
DNA, huwag mo na tanongin.
Madam, yeah. Hanapin niyo po ang mga kanta ng DNA.
Huwag lang yung mga photos. Wag lang. Mga kanta, proud ako dyan.
Pero ngayon naman, sabay-sabay tayong kiligin at matulala with our next song entry from Chantel Celine Lapata. Heartbeat alert, guys! Kilig theme song incoming.
I like the word tulala kasi it means starstruck. It's one of my favorite words to use when you're in love with someone or parang tulala ka sa person. My favorite line from the song is, daw gusto ta ka, kasi it means parang di ka sure na gusto mo yung person. Parang you're scared. When I was writing the song Tulala, my goal talaga was to make the song catchy and relatable. I want people to remember the catchy melodies that we made. Before then, I was hesitant to write it in Hiligaynon since the language I'm comfortable with is English. Very proud then to be representing my own dialect, being a Bacolodnon. I'm Chantel and I wrote the song Tulala, interpreted by Extrapolation and yours truly.
Kaya nga eh. Patingin nga, ganun ka nga sa akin. Ayan, kung bagay ba. Bagay mo ba?
I'm loving wearing Filipiniana more and more.
Yes.
Ito nga, parang inulit ko na lang to eh, from many years ago. Sinuot ko to sa Philippine Independence Day sa New York City, more than 10 years ago.
But it still
Diba?
looks very
Pwede,
classic and very
everywhere,
modern pa
diba?
rin. Oo,
Sustainable fashion.
Sustainability naman. Ako, kasama ng selebrasyon ng 50 years ng OPM, sineselebrate din natin ang diversity ng musikang Pilipino. Mapatagalog, Ilonggo, Ilocano o Bisaya man yan. Just like our next song entry from my fellow Bisaya, Rilden Campanilla, na nagpapadayag sa atong pagpili nga magpabilin uban sa tao nga atong ihigugma bisan pa sa mga pagsulay nga moabot ka nato. Yeah.
Alam mo, pag nagpapatugtog ako sa road trip na sa kotse, pag ako yung DJ, pag may gusto akong i-impress sa kotse, papatugtog ako ng fist pop. Alam niyo naman yung fist pop, di ba?
May mga Bisaya ba dito ngayong gabi? Mag-ingay lahat ng mga Bisaya!
Represent!
Grabe!
May isa pang hashtag nakikita ko, yung bisdak. Ano yung bisdak rock ba yun?
Bisayang dako. Malaking Bisaya. Yun.
Malakas.
Malakas,
Narinig
mamabang.
natin. At ang ganda, yun na yung sinasabi nating diversity. At ang sarap-sarap sa tainga. Kaya naman, paano ba sabihin? Ihigugma.
Higugma, bisan pa sa mga pagsulay na moabot ka nato. Yes.
I haven't written a song in like about 2 years, and then I fell in love with music finally again. The song is something I wrote for my boyfriend at that time, was now my husband. My favorite line from the song is "Upili ikaw, dili na lang." Basically, in English it says, if it's not with you, I don't want it, or you just really want that person, no matter how hard it gets. I actually want my song to be remembered not because it's Bisaya English. I want it to be remembered by how you would feel of having that one person that you really want your love to work out. Working with Jolian was the easiest thing that I've probably done because talent-wise, she already has it, and she's also very admirable. I feel like if you met her, you would easily like her. Hi, I'm Relden Campanilla, and I wrote the song Dili na lang to be interpreted by Jolian.
Partner niya, bakit ako yung maswerte yung pili ng tao nito habang tinitignan niya lang yung ngiti ng partner niya. So, napaisip ako bakit hindi ko gawa ng kanta yun. Well, kung meron man akong pipiliin niya galing sa kurba, siguro yung di man ipahalata bawat hangin mong buga ang kapanatagan ko. Parang bawat hangin na binubuga ng partner ko, tumatahimik yung mundo ko dahil gusto ko siyang magstay for as long as it can sa puso ng lahat ng makikinig. When it comes to working with Maki, sobrang smooth lang And masaya ako kasi siya rin yung napili kong interpreter. Feeling ko, the song was really written for him. Parang ganun yung dating sa akin. Hi, ako si Alvin Sarito, and I wrote the song Kurba to be interpreted by Maki.
First time we are with Himig Hadog 2013 brand winner, Joby Nartan, for Anong Nangyari sa Ating Dalawa. Palakpakan naman natin siya. That was a great year because Mr. Junji Marcelos nasa'yo na ang lahat. Also had 4 special awards noong Himig Handog 2013. What a remarkable year. Tayong mga Pilipino, kilala sa buong mundo pagdating sa kantahan dahil basta Pinoy, may musikang dumadaloy sa ating dugo. Just like the AWIT Award-winning recording artist, singer-songwriter, Jeremy G.
Thank you so much, Ate Kay. Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At ito, ini-explore ng susunod nating song entry from singer-songwriter Diego Morales, ang laro ng buhay. Yun bang kung minsan nasa itaas tayo, minsan nasa ibaba, at kung minsan, ikaw naman ang kaya.
Langit Lupa is inspired by yung laro namin nung bata pa, yung Langit Lupa. Ang naging favorite line ko, ang lahat ngayon ay lumalayo. Ako na ba ang taya? Kaya ganito. So parang kine-question mo ngayon na lahat ng tao lumalayo sa akin, lahat ng opportunities lumalayo sa akin. Ako ba yung taya? I want Langit Lupa to be parang anthem siya ng mga tao na nasa dark place. Kasi I want the song to be an inspiration for them na may gift sa atin si Lord. We just need to maximize and use it. Collaborating with Admin and Laika was sobrang energizing. Pagka nag-record kami, full of energy sila, tapos mga nag-share na sila ng input. I'm Jeka Morales and I wrote the song Langit Lupa to be interpreted by Laika Estrella, Anne Ray, and yours truly.
Ang intensyon ng kanta. Ako si Reese Ruiz, songwriter ng Kawit ng Papahiram, to be interpreted by Johnny Langaw and Langaw.